Are you dreaming of starting a pig farming business but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, today I will walk you through a complete pig farming business plan that will help you start small, grow fast, and make real profits, even if you have never raised pigs before. By the end of this video, you will know how to plan, build, feed, breed, and market your pigs the right way. Pig farming is one of the fastest growing livestock businesses in Africa and beyond. Why? Because pigs produce quickly, grow fast, and their meat, that's pork, sells everywhere. Hotels, restaurants, butcher shops, and local markets. A single sow can give birth to 8 to 12 piglets at once and can farrow twice a year. That means one sow can produce up to 24 piglets every year. Imagine having 10 sows. You could produce more than 200 piglets yearly. That's how powerful this business can be if planned well. But remember, pig farming is not just about buying pigs and feeding them. You need a solid business plan that guides you from start to profit. Let's break it down. Why you need a business plan. A business plan is your roadmap. It helps you understand how much money you need to start, what kind of housing to build, how to feed your pigs efficiently, how to market and sell your pork or piglets, and how to make profit, not losses. Without a plan, you are simply guessing. But with a clear plan, you will know what to expect each month, cost, growth, and income. Business plan outline. A complete pig farming business plan has 8 major sections. 1. Executive summary. 2. Business description. 3. Market research. 4. Pig housing and equipment plan. 5. Feeding and management plan. 6. Breeding plan. 7. Financial plan. And then 8. Marketing and sales strategy. Let's go through each one step by step. Executive summary. This is a short summary of your entire pig farming business. It answers these key questions. What type of pigs are you raising? How many pigs will you start with? What are your short and long-term goals? Example: my name is Ebenezer, owner of OBOH GH farms. I plan to start a small pig farm with 10 sows and 2 boys. My goal is to produce high quality pork and piglet for sale to restaurants and local markets in Ghana. I aim to expand to 100 pigs in 3 years. That's my executive summary. Short, clear, and focused. Business description. Here, you describe your business structure. Farm name: OBOH GH Pig Farm. Location, for example, Kumasi outskirts, where there is water, road, access, and market. Farm size: ½ acre, 1 acre, or more, depending on your budget. Farm type: intensive system, that's confined housing, semi-intensive or free range. Most successful pig farms use the intensive system. Pigs live in clean pens with proper feeding and waste management. It saves feed and keeps disease away. Also, mention your mission statement. Example: to produce healthy pigs using modern, hygienic, and profitable methods that supply quality pork to the market. Market research. Before you start, study your market. Ask: who buys pork in your area? Is there a slaughterhouse nearby? Which restaurants or hotels serve pork dishes? Do farmers buy piglet for breeding? This will help you choose your target market, whether you want to sell piglets, mature pigs, or processed pork. Example: in Ghana, many farmers make big profit by selling winners, that's 2-month-old piglet, to other farmers. Others focus on fattening pigs for pork. If a mature pig sells at 2,000 and your cost per pig is 1,200, your profit is 800 per pig. That's good business. Housing and equipment plan. You need proper pig housing. Good housing should protect pigs from heat, cold, and rain. Allow easy cleaning and drainage. Separate pigs by age and size. Prevent disease spread. Basic housing sections: boar pen, sow and farrowing pen, grower pen, winner pen, feed and water storage area, and manure pit. Materials: use bricks or concrete for walls, cement for floor, and roofing sheet for shade. Make sure the pen floor is slightly sloped for drainage, so urine and waste can flow out easily. Equipment needed: feed troughs, water nipples or drinkers, wheelbarrow, shovel, disinfectants, heat lamp, that's for piglets. Cleanliness is key. Dirty pens cause disease and slow growth. Feeding and management plan. Feed takes about 70% of total cost in pig farming, so you must plan your feeding wisely. Feed types: piglets, starter feed, high protein 20 to 22%, growers, grower feed 16 to 18%, finishers, finisher feed 14 to 16%, breeding sows, sow feed with minerals for milk and fertility. You can make your own feed using maize, soybean meal, fish meal, wheat bran, bone meal, salt, and premix, or buy commercial feed. Always provide clean water. A pig drinks 10 to 15 liters daily. Management tips: deworm pigs every 2 to 3 months. Vaccinate against common diseases like African swine fever. Keep records of feeding, weight, and growth. Maintain hygiene and biosecurity. Remember, a clean pig is a healthy pig. Breeding plan. Your breeding plan determines how fast your farm grows. Choose good breeds: large white, landrace, duroc, Hampshire, or local hybrid crosses. Select strong sows with 10 to 12 teeth and a healthy appetite. Boys should be active and healthy. Breeding tips: mate sows when they are 8 to 9 months old. Watch for heat signs, swelling vulva, restlessness, and standing still when mounted. Pregnancy lasts 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, around 114 days. Prepare farrowing pen before birth. Wean piglets at 6 to 8 weeks. With good care, a sow can give you 20 to 24 piglets per year, a strong base for profit. Financial plan. Now, let's talk money, the heart of your business plan. Here is a simple example budget for a small pig farm. Land lease per year, 1 acre, 2,000. Construction of the pens, 4 units, 10,000. Breeding stock. We are using 10 sows plus 2 boys, 12 pigs. That's 12,000. Feed for 3 months, 6,000. Drugs and vaccines, 1,000. Labor, 1,200. Equipment, 1,800. Miscellaneous, 1,000. Total investments, 35,000. You can use your currency for these figures. Expected income after 1 year. If each sow produces 10 piglets and you sell each piglet at 400, that's 10 times 10 times 400 equals 40,000 from piglets alone. Your profit margin grows even higher as the farm expands and your cost per pig reduces. Always track your expenses and income to see where money is going. Marketing and sales strategy. How do you sell your pigs? Here are 5 marketing ideas. 1. Sell piglets to other farmers. 2. Sell fattened pigs directly to butchers and restaurants. 3. Partner with local market for pork sales. 4. Process and brand your own pork, that's smoked or sausages. 5. Use social media, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp groups, YouTube to advertise your farm and products. Build a brand name. Show customers that your pigs are clean, healthy, and well fed. Growth and expansion plan. As your farm grows, reinvest your profits. Start small, maybe with 10 sows, then expand to 50, 100 or more, and add more housing and better equipment. You can even start making your own feed or selling manure as organic fertilizer. That's extra income. Also, train your workers, attend agricultural workshops, and keep learning. Pig farming rewards knowledge and consistency. So there you have it, a complete pig farming business plan you can follow to build a successful farm from scratch. Remember, start small but plan big. Keep your pigs clean and well fed. Record everything from feed cost to litter size. And most importantly, never stop learning. Tell me in the comments, how many pigs do you plan to start with? And if you want me to share a free pig farm record keeping sheet, type yes below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to OBOH GH, and share with other farmers. Together, we are building a smarter farming future.